Hey everybody, I'm Holly Granger along with my two best kitchen helpers,
Frances
and
Ellie.
And today we are going to show you how to make 3 simple and yummy after-school snacks using
Yogurt!
We have a lot of excitement here. So I've partnered with General Mills to share these simple and easy recipes that are so yummy and ideal for making with your little ones after school. We have crunchy chicken bites, pesto yogurt dip, and pumpkin yogurt trifle. So stick with us and we'll show you how to make all 3 of them. Okay, so first we're going to show you how to make these crunchy yogurt marinated chicken bites. They're so easy, they're ideal for a hearty snack after school, but they also are great for lunch or dinner. So I have a zip top bag and I have cut chicken breast into just bite-sized pieces using my kitchen shears. So Frances, go ahead and dump this in for me. This is the best way to marinate. Just put it all in a bag. Nice job. And then Ellie is going to dump a cup of plain yogurt. This is plain Greek style yogurt. Dump that into the bag. And then we'll seal and give it a good shake. Now I like to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. You can even let it go, like do this in the morning and let it go until the late afternoon, a couple of hours or so. That just gives the chicken more time to absorb all that moisture from the yogurt. So Ellie, let's zip that up.
Can I shake it?
Yeah, we'll both shake
I
it.
shake it first. My sister will shake it.
Okay, shake it. All right, make sure it's zipped. That's the key. All right, so while Frances shakes, Ellie is going to coat.
I'm going to spread.
Well, she's going to spread. You shake. Ellie's going to coat a baking sheet. So now what we're going to do, I'll be the one to get my hands dirty and chickeny, is we're going to put the chicken straight into some seasoned breadcrumbs. You can use regular breadcrumbs or panko breadcrumbs. Right now I have a mixture of both of them.
Okay.
Okay.
You use the tiny one, me and Frances use the big one.
Okay, now what I want y'all to do is, see it's nice and juicy, and then I want you to toss that in the breadcrumbs. Okay, so once your chicken is coated, then put it on the cookie sheet, Ellie.
Yes, ma'am.
One at a time. All right, that looks good. Put those on. You want to spread them all out. And what I love about these chicken bites is that they have protein from the chicken, but also from the Greek yogurt. And that Greek yogurt is also going to give the girls calcium and all the nutrients they need for their growing little bodies.
Do you have these for dinner?
Yeah, we can have them for dinner too, or a snack. It's easier to use tongs than sticking your hand into the chicken and yogurt, but we're having fun, so whatever works. Just make sure if you're dealing with raw chicken to wash your hands. All right, we almost finished?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's get those in. Yes, we're gonna bake the chicken at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes or until it's golden brown. One thing that I do like to do is just spray it with a little spritz of either cooking spray or if you have like olive oil in a mister, just to put a little bit on the top helps get them even more brown. All right, so let's finish this up and we're gonna get this in the oven. All right, while these bake, we are going to make our honey mustard yogurt dip. To make your own honey mustard dip, just start with yogurt. I like to use about half a cup of plain Greek yogurt and then add about 1/3, go ahead, to half a cup of honey and another kind of 1/3 to half a cup of Dijon mustard. And then add some fresh lemon juice. This little tool is called a reamer. It's a great way to get your lemon juice out. I'm gonna let you stir that up. So, it's all, it's all about getting in the kitchen and cooking with your kids and having fun, right? All right, that looks good. So our chicken is just about done. We're gonna get the chicken plated up because these two are ready to eat while they stir.
No, first it's my turn.
All right, chicken is cooked and it's had a little time to cool. We have our honey mustard dipping sauce and it's time to eat. Here we go. So good. Very juicy. All right, stay tuned. We're going to show you how to make pesto yogurt dip. Right. Next up is pesto yogurt dip. It uses just 2 ingredients, pesto and plain Greek yogurt, and you get all of the delicious benefits of yogurt in one simple and easy dip. I love serving it with vegetables. You can also use it on a taco. Frances said in a sandwich. Use it for a dip with chicken. There's so many different varieties. So we have 1 cup of plain yogurt, and Frances is gonna add about a 1/4 cup, go ahead and add that, of prepared pesto. So just dump that right in. Very good. And Ellie's gonna give it a stir. And that's it. This recipe is simple and easy, and now on my shirt. And you're gonna love that slime move. Gotta keep mixing. So simple.
Can I mix too?
Yeah, so easy.
Okay.
And this is definitely one that if you have children that have maybe a broader palate or really like savory, this is one that's delicious. I actually like to make this one when I am entertaining. There's lots of different ways to serve it, and you get all the great benefits of protein. Very good. All right. Just that easy. That's all we need for this bowl. Time to eat. If that was the one you ate earlier. All right, next up, our final recipe, our pumpkin yogurt trifles. All right, for our last recipe, we have pumpkin yogurt trifles. This recipe is so easy. Literally 2 to 3 ingredients, depending on how much you want to add. I just start with the pre-made angel food cake. The girls have been getting into this already. And then you want to let them build their own little trifles. So y'all can put some of the cake, watch out for the knife, into the bottom of your jar. Okay, you can get a couple. You gotta make room for your yogurt. All right, so 1 in your mouth, 1 in the jar. Is that how it goes, Ellie? Awesome. Now add your pumpkin yogurt. Sillies. All right, pumpkin yogurt. Pumpkin yogurt. And now pumpkin yogurt sometimes is a seasonal find, so if you can't find pumpkin yogurt on the market, use vanilla yogurt and just add a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. It tastes equally delicious. And then you can add some more cake. Oh, y'all ate it all. If you want to make another layer to make the trifle. So with the trifle, you want to make layers. You can put some more cake in here. Frances, add a little bit more yogurt, and then we'll add the whipped cream on the top.
Now it's layered.
Now it's layered. Ready? Yep. Put some cinnamon on the top.
Yes, please. Again.
That's all right, you got it. Woo, party time. Oh, I don't think you want anyone that. All right, Frances, you ready? All right, so easy. The girl said we are about to have a party with our trifles. I have one for me too. I think I need a little bit more whipped cream on mine.
Yeah.
And we are ready to
Okay,
go.
yeah,
Woo! I hope you enjoy these 3 simple, yummy, and delicious recipes for after school featuring yogurt. You can find all of these recipes on hollygranger.com. I hope you enjoy.
Cake party time!
Party time.
Mhm.